in the heart of a modern pharmaceutical facility built under strict American GMP standards, the journey of life-saving medicine begins long before it reaches a patient's hands.
This massive pharmaceutical factory is a testament to modern medicine, ensuring GMP-certified production around the clock.
As the sun rises over the new facility,
It all starts at the gates. Massive trucks arrive silently at a sterile industrial complex. Sealed containers marked with certified pharmaceutical codes are unloaded with precision. Every box carries a promise: purity, safety, and healing.
We can release the raw material for compounding.
But nothing is trusted yet, not until science proves it. Inside the quality control laboratory, scientists in clean white coats examine every raw material under intense scrutiny.
Yes, the purity index confirms the stability increase.
Advanced machines test, analyze, and reject anything even slightly imperfect. One failed reading means rejection, because here there is no room for compromise. Only perfection is allowed to move forward.
the pathway activation is clearly visible here.
Yes, and the correlation with the new compound is significant.
Then comes transformation. In towering stainless steel mixers, fine powders swirl like controlled storms. Active ingredients and excipients blend with mathematical accuracy. Every rotation, every vibration is calculated. This is where chemistry becomes medicine, where invisible particles begin their mission to heal human lives.
The temperature is stabilizing at 300 Kelvin. Rotation speed holding steady at 1200 RPM. From separate elements to one perfect formula of healing.